In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Visa gift card on Dhgate. If you've got a Visa gift card and want to put it to use on Dhgate, I'll walk you through the entire checkout flow and share a few tips to help your payment go through smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to dhgate.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The layout may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar to look for the item you want. Type in clear keywords and scan the results for listings that match your needs. Take a moment to check seller ratings, review counts, shipping timelines, and return policies so you know exactly what you're getting. When you find the right product, click into the listing to open the product page. Confirm details like size, color, and quantity, and look carefully at the total price including shipping. It's helpful to note that your gift card balance should cover the entire charge, including taxes and any fees. When you're ready to proceed, click Buy Now. This takes you to the order confirmation and payment area. On the payment method section, you'll see options for how to pay. Look for the choice that lets you add a card and select Pay with New Card. Now, enter your Visa gift card number exactly as it appears on the card. Type carefully and double check the digits. Then, enter the card's expiration date and CVV. If your card requires a billing address, use the address registered to the card. Many Visa gift cards allow you to set or confirm a billing zip code on the card issuer's website. Matching that zip can help prevent address verification declines. If you've never registered your card, it's a good idea to do that first so the payment system can validate your billing details. After the card details are filled out, click Apply to save the card to the order. Give the page a moment to process and confirm the card has been accepted. If you see an error, verify the number, expiration, CVV, and billing zip, and make sure your card balance is high enough to cover the full total. Some gift cards may also be limited for international or online transactions, so checking the issuer's terms can help. Once everything looks correct, click Pay to finalize your purchase. You should see a confirmation screen or receive an order confirmation shortly after. And that's it. Your Visa gift card is now used on Dhgate, and your order is on its way.